Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans DIY Garden Gadgets video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me in today's video where I'm going to share with you my idea for saving on garden soil and fertilizer. I have been gardening since I was very young, and I remember the days of grabbing some seeds, going out in the backyard, filling up a plastic cup with some dirt out the yard, adding some water, putting the seeds in, and watching my plants grow. But y'all, that is not the case today. It seems that if you're growing anything larger than like a kitchen window herb garden, you're going to be headed to your local nursery, Home Depot, Walmart, some kind of garden center to pick from a variety of garden soils, additives, fertilizers, vitamins, mulch, you name it, in order to give your seeds and your starters the best chance at growing and giving you the produce that you planted the seeds for in the first place. I tried using a native soil in my backyard for about 2 or 3 years with varying success. Unfortunately for me, my soil is mostly like clunky, sticky mud, or it's like rock hard boulders. It got to the point where I really felt like I was wasting seeds, I was wasting starters, and I decided the best thing for me was to do raised beds and containers. Not using my native soil, but getting everything from the store, y'all. So, off I went. In previous Backyard Shenanigans videos, I've showed you all of the different type of soils that I use. Most of the stuff I get come from Home Depot. I've also used garden soil from Walmart, the local grocery outlet, which is a discount grocery store. I've gotten soil from Big Lots. I've even gotten soil from the 99-cent store and the Dollar Tree. I use a lot of garden soil and additive products from the Kellogg brand, Earth Grow, Vigoro, and even some no-name stuff, y'all. I'm just trying to experiment and use the best products that work for my garden environment. In addition to the soil, then I also pick up some different type of fertilizers. I pick up fertilizers for my citrus trees. I pick up general fertilizers. I pick up liquid fertilizers. I pick up pellet fertilizers, slow release, quick release. Again, just different type of additives and fertilizers to help the things that I'm growing in my area. But truth be told, y'all, on the low key, medium key, high key, and coin key, this stuff is too expensive, so I gotta come up with a way to save some money. And just like with my natural hair care, I love to do DIY in a garden. Let me show you an idea of what I came up with, how to get some more affordable soil and compost tea. I used some items that I had at home and then some that I had either previously purchased from the store or purchased when this idea came to my mind. I have everything listed as I'm talking right now. This stuff is very, very affordable, and you can make one of these things for as little as $20. You don't have to use all of the items that you see me posting here. You can modify it. You can do however you want to do, whatever makes sense to you. But I created a compost bin out of a trash can that I could not only use to compost food and yard scraps to make soil, but to also make compost tea in the process. I started with a 32-gallon trash can with a lid. Make sure you have a lid. I started to get one with the wheels on it, but for my purposes, I didn't want to pay like extra $5 for no wheels, y'all. I used the pencil tip of my soldering iron to melt 8 small holes in the center bottom of the trash can. And I used some scrap wire and tape to fasten the metal screen into the center of the trash can that I turned into a cylinder. Now this is known as the modified Johnson-Su bioreactor model, and the point is to have air circulating inside the can as well as outside. The next thing I did was attach a simple water cooler faucet using Teflon tape to make sure nothing leaked. And this will be for my compost tea that I hope to collect from the bottom of the compost bin. I just traced out the hole for the faucet and I marked 1, 2, 3, and 4 inch lines, and I decided to put the faucet right above the 1 inch line. I did place a small piece of tulle at the back of the faucet to make sure that nothing clogged it up. Now was the fun part. I took my soldering iron and I burned all different size holes all around the trash can, all around the sides, but I didn't put any in the bottom because remember, I'm trying to collect the compost tea. I brought the trash can outside. I put it on top of a double stack of the planter wall blocks, and then I started to fill it in. I used all kind of trash and everything from out of my yard. I used food scraps. I had some mulch. I even put coffee grounds that I got from Starbucks. Y'all, they gave me 22.5 pounds for free. To get good compost soil, you have to have air, you need water, and you need a mix of greens and browns, which is food scraps, leaves, mulch, etc. So I have my finished compost bin. I'm very happy with it. I stayed adding stuff to it like almost every day. But y'all, I actually need to make another compost bin for this monstrosity. Y'all, this is my original compost bin. As you can see, it doesn't have any holes in it. I have been putting food scraps and you name it in this thing, I think since probably January or February of this year. Y'all, I'm scared to open it. I'm scared. I'm scared, but I know what to do and I'm gonna get it done. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. I hope this video helped you. I hope it inspired you. If you had it in your mind to buy a compost bin or a compost tea bin, try making your own. You can make it to fit your exact needs for a fraction of the price. Please like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.